In this video, I'm going to give you my review and opinion on the Vornado whole room circulator fan. This one happened to be purchased at Costco for $49.99. You can also get it at Amazon for $59.99. I'll put a link in the description below in case you don't have a Costco membership. Now this fan is supposed to blow 75 feet, which I will do a test on. It is 3 speeds, also comes with a remote control. So you don't have to get up off the couch or the chair to adjust or turn off the fan. So I've got a couple tests I'm going to show you, and hopefully by the end of the video, it will help you decide whether or not this is the right fan for you. I want to talk about the remote control real quick. To get a remote control on a fan, you usually got to spend about $25 to $30 more. Now this remote is full functioning, which means every function on the fan can be controlled by the remote. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. You can adjust the fan speeds. You can set the timer and turn it back off. So now I have my digital decibel meter out. So if you walk into your local library, it should be about 43 decibels. And a normal talking voice is about 68 decibels. So that will give you a foundation. I'm going to go ahead and turn the fan on setting number 1. And we're at about 47 decibels. I'm going to bring the fan up to speed level 2. We're at 58 decibels. And finally, high speed or level 3. We're at about 66 decibels. Now, depending on what your application use for this fan is going to be, you can tilt it. And you can tilt it at just about every angle by 1 degree, all the way up to 90 degrees. So if for some reason you want to blow straight up, you certainly can. And you can angle it anywhere you want, let go, and it's going to stay. Claims on the box of this fan is it moves air 75 feet. The longest distance I can show you in my house is 41 feet. I've got a kind of a heavy Bounty paper towel here, and you should be able to see it on camera. The paper towel is moving and I can feel the air. Now if I put it down to level 2 or level 1, I cannot feel the air back here, but at level 3 I'm at 41 feet and I can definitely feel the air off the fan. I want to see if the remote control will turn this on and off. So the remote does work. That's quite a distance. I'm going to go ahead and change the fan speed. So I have to aim the remote right, probably in the exact spot. After using this over the last couple weeks, I have to highly recommend it. For the price, what you get, how much air it moves, you just can't beat it. You put it close to the floor so it moves the cooler air, and the price at Costco just can't be beat. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.